Hi everyone, welcome back to our video where we are discussing some examples to calculate space complexity. In this example, we are going to see how to calculate space complexity for the recursive algorithm, right? So let's see. So one point I want to add up here before we start, that recursive call stack space also counts. So we need to count whenever there is a recursive calls, right? So you can write that recursive call stack space also counts. We'll see as an example, right? So I just write a very small algorithm to make you understand of this, right? For example, you just write int add int n if n is has been equals to, just return it, otherwise return n plus add n minus 1. So you see it's a very small program to add, right? Recursive program. So what I mean is recursive call stack space also count means, for example, if you have an add of 4, right? So first you need a space to have an add 3 composition. To have an add 3 composition, you must have a space for add 2, and if for add 2 you must have add 1, and for add 1 you must have for add 0. Now it will return the 0. So that's what it says. Recursive calls take space also count. So we need to count these space as well. Are you understanding it? Are you understanding it? So if you see, if your input is n, so that many times this loop has gone, right? This loop has gone. So we says space complexity of recursive algorithm of this example is O of n, right? But we need to remember that just it has n called doesn't mean it will take O of n space. Very important point to remember. Very important point to remember. You will make a mistake here. So just you can write it, just it has n calls doesn't mean it will take O of n space, of n space. Very important. So don't make a thumb rule that if it has a n calls it will have O of n. No, it doesn't go that way, right? So we have to remember that recursive call stack also counts. In an example, okay, let's take an example in next video of what I just wrote just now, and we'll see, right? If you like the video, if you like the examples, if you like this series, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.